The oil pressure warning light is one of the most critical indicators on your dashboard. This red symbol indicates a potential issue with your engine's oil pressure system, not necessarily your oil level. Modern vehicles use sophisticated digital oil pressure sensors that transmit real-time data to the engine control unit. These advanced systems provide much more accurate monitoring than older mechanical switches. Modern vehicles feature multi-stage warning systems that provide graduated alerts. Yellow warnings indicate caution when pressure drops to 15 to 20 psi, while red warnings signal critical situations below 10 psi. Watch as oil pressure changes from normal operating levels down to warning thresholds. Normal pressure ranges from 25 to 80 psi during operation. Several factors can trigger a low oil pressure warning. The engine's oil system is complex, with oil flowing through multiple components including the pump, filter, and various engine passages. Common causes include a faulty pressure sensor giving false readings, genuinely low oil levels, a failing oil pump, clogged filters, internal engine wear, or oil that's too thin or thick for proper circulation. When the oil pressure warning light appears on your dashboard, it demands immediate attention. Ignoring this warning can lead to catastrophic engine failure. Continued operation with low oil pressure can cause severe internal engine damage, potentially requiring complete engine replacement costing thousands of dollars. Prompt troubleshooting is essential to prevent costly repairs. When your oil pressure warning light comes on, follow this systematic troubleshooting process to identify and resolve the issue safely. Step 1. Check your oil level using the dipstick. This is the most basic but crucial first step. Low oil is the most common cause of oil pressure warnings. Step 2. Inspect the oil quality. Look for contamination, unusual consistency, or dark coloration that indicates the oil needs changing. Contaminated oil can cause pressure problems. Step 3. Listen carefully for unusual engine noises. Knocking, ticking, or grinding sounds can indicate serious internal damage that requires immediate attention. Step 4. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes. These codes provide specific information about what the engine control unit has detected. Step 5. Perform a thorough visual inspection for oil leaks. Check the oil pan, filter, and all visible oil lines. Even small leaks can cause pressure loss over time. Step 6. If basic checks don't reveal the problem, test the actual oil pressure using a mechanical gauge. This determines if the issue is real low pressure or a faulty sensor. Step 7. If pressure is low, replace the oil filter first, as it's the most common cause. A clogged filter restricts oil flow and reduces pressure throughout the system. In modern vehicles, sometimes the issue is a software problem. ECU updates can resolve false positive triggers, and the warning light should reset automatically once the underlying problem is fixed. Following this systematic approach helps ensure you identify the root cause safely and effectively. Remember, if you're unsure about any step or if the warning persists, always consult a qualified mechanic to prevent engine damage.